right, I'm back.
Alright,
I'm not
y'all.
planting.
We back again.
You're not gonna
Y'all
plant
know
it?
who it is. Mr.
You're not
Elwood
gonna plant 'em?
Videos.
How
And
long
we
did they take to
doing-
grow?
I
Pizza
don't know,
burger
but I
today.
planted and grew them. Watch yourself. I got
Alright,
this
she doing
knife.
pizza
Wait a
burgers. You
minute.
Wait a second.
Oh, we got the green peppers. You
Wait
cooking
for
out?
me.
Okay, we'll wait for you. You want to do something?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we can do something too. We got something for you to cut out.
Oh, you stole my pepper. I need my pepper. Come right back. Oh,
Don't just
Alright,
snack.
y'all, we
Don't
got the
just
hamburger
don't
in
just
here
snack
cooking.
for me.
So, alright, that's what we doing today. Making a pizza burgers. Alright, y'all stand by. I'm gonna get this
you got your own.
together. Okay.
Get you
know
some
that?
ground beef or some ground turkey or
Alright.
ground
Got
chicken.
the green peppers in
What you
there.
steal?
Do the flavors. Got the
I
green
gave you
pepper.
some here.
That's what
Take
we're doing
that.
right now. Stand by right back.
Take the.
Alright, y'all, this is another ingredients we're putting in. We're chopping up some onions and putting in there. So,
I
stand
little
by.
bowl to put that in.
Coming back with the rest of the recipe. So, stand by. Alright, y'all, this is the season we're using
You got
right
some
here.
chili
So
powder?
check it out. What else we got?
Italian seasoning.
Okay,
some chili
we're gonna
powder.
do the. Okay, we got the
No,
Italian
only the
season
chili
going
powder.
there.
That's all I need.
Okay, that's it. Then the ones you're gonna put all in there.
That's what I'm gonna put in there.
All right now,
That's all I need.
you got it. All right, y'all. This is what we doing. We adding ingredients. We showing y'all what we doing. Adding ingredients now. Okay, we're gonna add this onion and stuff right now. Yeah, buddy. Tell me what y'all think about this meal today. Give me a thumbs up on this meal. I appreciate it. Mr. Elwood Video.
That's the one you said.
You do yours, though, Lisa.
I use marinara sauce and I did the exact same thing.
I could have put some garlic on the
toasted
bread, but I didn't.
All right, y'all. Check it out.
But I
We're
put
doing
the
it old school way.
fresh garlic mince that was chopped in the can. I put that in the meat.
All right, y'all. I know y'all remember back in the day we used to do this.
Mama, can I have some of your
Old school,
Put some water.
high school days. Y'all remember
Yeah,
that?
she need a
Y'all used to go
bottle.
to high school to eat this. Yeah.
School lunch.
Yep, school lunch. I know
Can I
y'all.
have
Some of
your
y'all know.
water?
No, you get your own Lee
Where's your water bottle?
in the truck.
She pour some a cup for her then.
Yeah.
Here, pour some out. And
All right, y'all. I'm showing y'all what y'all we doing it. Doing
She's
it old
supposed to help
school
you.
way.
She
Check it out,
helped me
y'all.
either, boss. So don't feel bad.
I'm trying to give her something to
She
do.
just came around and plucked
at
off
it.
the burgers as I made them
Oh,
with the
wow.
meat.
She just. Oh yeah. See what we
She
doing,
was
y'all.
she was a good helper eating the burger.
But you think about it though. When you eat your pizza, ain't the cheese underneath the meat and pepperoni?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
So that's
doing
not
it.
wrong, really.
No,
No, I'm not saying it's wrong. I never seen it done like that.
Yeah.
But people think about it when you buy the pizza though.
You
Ain't
can.
that how it
Hey,
is?
she can double it up if she want. You know, extra cheese if you want, but you doing like this? Hey, we're doing the old school. It's
Yeah,
fine
some
the way
people
you
do
doing.
it different ways too. Some
Yeah.
pizza places they put the meat on the
Mommy, I
All
wanna
right,
side.
do
y'all. So
it
this.
on the
So
pizza.
all right,
Don't
y'all.
touch
So that's
this, it
what we
might
doing.
still
Don't
be
touch.
warm.
I
Yeah,
wanna
it's
be.
hot.
I wanna do
Okay,
it
this
on
what
the
we
Water.
doing.
She
Okay.
want a piece of pie.
You got two ways to have it. For people that want their meat on their cheese and melted, or people that want their cheese melted on their meat.
That's it.
There you
All
go.
right, y'all. That's what
It's
we
gonna touch the
doing today.
meat either way.
All right, y'all. We're doing another way. We adding shredded cheese this way.
This one's got
Yeah, this got shredded
Yeah, men
cheese
like
on. There's
this
two
kind.
ways. You can do it any way you
Tastes like
want. So
beer.
it's up to you how you do it. So this how we doing it.
It does taste like beer.
I'm going to end this video, y'all.
It do.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit all post notifications. New to my page, don't forget to
Just bake
subscribe.
it until the cheese melt.
All right, yep, we're gonna bake it
Until the cheese.
until the cheese melt.
Because I quit going to the moon.
And share my videos. Thank y'all for watching my videos. Take care. You know what time it is. I'm out. Peace.
I eat edible though.